Okay. I'm starting the folder. Okay, guys. Uh, wait lang ha. Kasi I'm just gonna get the link and I'll share it to my friends. So this is gonna take a moment. Sorry, this bilis naman. Wait. Okay, let's go here. Let's check this. Okay. Oh, not that anymore. So player titles, badge system. I'm gonna pick only 5. Wait lang. Right, not that right now. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I'll just do intervals in raid mode. I forgot who suggested that. I think English suggested this. I forgot who suggested this. I forgot who suggested this. And me. Okay. So wait lang. It's 8:05 p.m. Oh, did I hear myself? Oh, okay. I'm gonna share this now. Sorry, it's quiet. Wait, where's the... There he is. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the comments on the YouTube and then I'm gonna start working already. So there are 5 main things I'm gonna work on. I'm probably gonna work until 10 or something. So is it okay. So the first one is player title. So I think it's an issue suggested that there'll be badges and player titles, but since this is a first person game, it's just gonna be badges, so we're not gonna have this. So we're there, okay. So there's gonna be a default for when you first join, right? First join, and then I'll add that one, and then this one. And then since there's a maximum of 5 badges a day, 1, 2, 3, maybe first day on the job, novice, and then competent. Novice, competent. I'll just put these ones for now. And then after that, I need to work on a raid mode. I'm gonna try to find time for that. I forgot who suggested this. I think their name had a J and an I. Sui? I think that's her name. That's his name. So I think what this person suggested on TikTok was to add a raid mode, so you can technically leave the where's that? You can technically leave the survivor zone and then go outside and then technically do the same things that your scouts are doing. So I didn't really understand the instructions. This is what I got. So I'll try to work on that too. So right now I'm just gonna do fighting or something, and you can go back. You can go outside, fight zombies, and you come back in to get loot. I think the same person also suggested this. I don't know how to spell his name, but the difficulty settings. He wanted easy, normal, and hard. But I'm just gonna do normal and extreme. Some. Oh my gosh! Wait. So yeah, and then UI bugs. I'm doing this for myself because there's a bunch of bugs, and then physical leaderboard. That's also me. So, oh my gosh, who's watching? I wonder. All right, just so you guys know, there's a delay of about how long? How long's the delay? I don't know how long the delay is, but there is a delay. That's so that the frames don't drop. So what's this script? It's been a while since I worked here. What's this? Okay, it gets queue manager. So what we're gonna work on first are the badges. Now I forgot how to reward badges. Wait. How to reward badges in Roblox. Forgot everything. Badge service award badge. Server side. Okay. So I'll just make a big server script or something. Where can I put that? Server script service. I'll just put one script. And then badges. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do for this one. So I'm gonna make. Wait. So 2 scripts. There's server and then there's others. So on the main server script, this will be the one that receives badge name and number, awards to player, sends badge name and number through what? Through what? What's it called? Remote event? Yeah. So let's start with the server. And because I'm a cheat, and I don't actually script my own scripts. Where's that? Gang, who's watching? Wait. Okay. It's been a while. Okay, so server receives badge name and number and awards it to player. Make a server script that receives a badge ID and awards it to the player. So it will receive the badge ID and player ID from a remote event. Then award the badge ID to the player ID. So you might be wondering why I'm making it so it receives the player ID. That's because somebody suggested I add a multiplayer. So when I add the multiplayer, it won't be difficult to implement. This makes it I hope it knows I'm talking about Roblox. Yep, it knows I'm talking about Roblox. Okay, so badges. And then after that, what are the badges again? So the first one on join. First join. Wait, I gotta shrink this. I can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, I gotta check the stream again. Draco, bro. Are you gonna comment that on every single stream? Okay, so this one. Okay, wait. Queue manager. First join in server script. So other possible titles. I think this is also queue manager, and then that one is what keeps track of resource manage runner. Research drain. Oh shucks, I forgot which script keeps track of the resources. Is it the leader stats? I think it's the leader stats. Default leader stats. Load the leader stats. Is that leader stats? Bones. Huh? Where's the bones? Find first child bones. Wait, I don't recall putting bones. Save stat name. What? That's why I need more comments. Wait. It's queue manager, badges, song playlist. It's queue. What do you mean no? You know, I'm just gonna hurt you, dog. Queue manager. You know what? Wait, I'm gonna check on this. Yep. Mode events creator limited event award badge event is yeah. Down. Where's that badges? And then go back to replicated storage remote event, right? What do you call this? Award badge event. Whoop whoop. Award badge event. Okay. By the way, guys, you can just suggest things to add in the game while I'm working on it. It's alright. Okay, wait. So calls replicated storage. That's what calls the award badge event or remote event. And then it calls the badge service of the player so that it can award the badge to the player with a function where it receives the player ID and the badge idea. If it doesn't receive either, then it ends it. If it has received it, then it checks if the player has the badge. If it does, then it ends it. If it succeeds and the player does not have a badge, then it awards the player the badge according to what it has received, and it prints it just to confirm. If it doesn't succeed, blah 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 blah, that's it. Remote event listener checks if the user, if the number, if it is a number, then it continues. If it doesn't, then blah blah blah. Get player, warn, not player, not in server. Okay, so it has to make sure that the player is in the server. Okay, let's do this. First day on the job is in server, queue manager, desk, or queue manager. This one, I don't know what script. I don't remember what script this is. I'm pretty sure it's leader stats. Resource manager. Where is that? Resource manager. The drain no, that's the resource. That's the drain, right? Leader stats script. I'm gonna come back in a bit, bro. Gotta study. Also, all that coding stuff is giving me too many war flashbacks in math. Okay, bro. Don't know what to say to that. Next, Good luck, bro, in math. Yeah, we have another quiz on Monday. How many again? 3? Half the subjects. I don't think it's survived. Infection breach, job application, quarantine handler. I need to optimize my scripts. There's too many scripts. Where is the leader stats? Yeah, leader stat. Oh, bones. Right? Defaults. Return defaults. Name inter defaults. Okay. Now how do I update this? Okay, let's do this. Let's just pray that works because there's no way I can test this. This is one of the server scripts. Make it so when the defaults or resources reach 100,000, how does this thing get the players? It gets the player's ID and sends the badge using the same Yep, so it gets the players, gets to work, so run service because I don't know. Okay. Will it work? No, there's just 2 people watching. There's 4 earlier, dog. Top fans, who's that? There's no top fans. Try sending a live chat. Yeah, there's no live. There's no. Okay, so this is pronounced bones, by the way. It's not bounds, it's bones. Gets the player's ID. Yes. Add this near the. Oh my gosh, I don't like doing this. Oh, I haven't made the badge. I need to make the badge. Wait. Create roblox.com. Oh, no, there's just. Okay. Wow, mom. Mom. I deleted it. Mom, I love you. Quarantine zone. How do I make a badge? Forgot. Settings, secrets, places. No, the data set. It's not passive. How do I make a badge? There, badge. Okay. What do I call this badge? Professional Resource Manager. Okay. So I'll call it. Oh, wait. Wait. Badge. Award badge event. I'll deal with that later. Resources. Badge is enabled. First 5. Blah, blah, blah. Wait, why? Why can't I create it? I'm just gonna get an image. Wait. Oh, shucks. Whoop. That's all very confidential. I cannot do that. Okay, pa. Okay, which one do we go with? Oh? And I'll take that image. And then... Why can't I move it there? Can I upload it here? Oh. Wait, dog. Why can't I create the badge? Okay, I can do this. Okay, wait. Save image, add. Image. And then, yeah, sure. I'll just have to hurry up here. Did that work? No, it didn't work. I just gotta hurry up. Oh, yes. Okay po. Wait lang po. That works. Yes. Just needed the image. Okay po. Love you. I'll follow after this. For sure. Copy asset ID. So I'm never gonna get this badge. So I'm never gonna know if this is gonna work. So, good luck. Okay. Then, bones. I can just like remove the bones. Then update the run service heartbeat connect. Where? This run service heartbeat connect. Okay, here. So run this every whenever. Okay, I have to remove this. Oh wait, whoops. I moved the other. Oh no. There. My fellow classmates, do you remember this? Do you remember what that looks like? Where's that? Where's the just showing me the graphs? I was supposed to show you guys how to do functions, because there's a lot of math thing that goes on in coding, but I don't know. Optional improvement to prevent repeated store bool value. Yeah, this does not work. I do not need that. Okay. If wait, if stat and stat value, if the one over here, if each of these is more than or equal to, how much is that? 1, 2, 3, that's 10,000. Did I say 10,000 or 100? Yes?
You want some what?
I know, thank you, po. I wanted 100. Wait, let's check. 1, 2, 3. No, yeah, that's 100,000. Okay. I need to test this. So let's make this 100,000. How many do I have? I think I have 10,000, so let's do that. Okay. So that's the badge. How does this get the player again? Player.name, player. Oh man. Should I do? Okay. Oh no, this is gonna go through the entire cutscene again. I need to fix that. I'll follow up on. Love you guys.
Hi, if you're hearing this,
Again.
congrats. You're the new.
I'm gonna lower the volume there. Right there. Does that work? Okay. So look, I have. Oh wait, just the bones that I have a lot of money. I just have a lot of bones. I don't have
Survivors show
anything else.
Downstairs.
Some are
Okay,
fine,
pa.
some aren't.
So I'm gonna hide that.
Maybe.
Now let's hope that.
Skin
Wait, let
tone
me hear.
helps. Normal is safe, yellow's a maybe, red means get them out fast. You've got 2 zones. Survivor
Oh wait, I think I
and
should lower the
quarantine.
volume back.
Survivor zone is for cleared folks.
Bruh,
Do you know camera?
I don't have camera on. Okay, so I only have 1,000 resources, so I'm gonna have to work on that. Okay, so I will do my ultimate cheat code.
Why are you lesbian?
What the heck?
How's
I'm
my favorite
not.
lesbian doing?
That's just a comment, bro. This is one of my friends. She's just trolling. Cass. But I don't know.
Cat?
No. One of my friends. Where's the performance stat? Micro profiler, camera inverted, developer console. There it is. Okay. I think it's server, right? Server. Okay. So let's scroll all the way up. False, true, false, false, false. Okay, so just the second one's infected. By the way, guys, you can't use this because you're not a developer, so you can't see this stuff. If you want a tip, I don't think anyone's even watching, honestly. But if you want a tip, whenever you see somebody that's pure skinned, don't let them in. I just automatically kill them because they're still a bit suspicious. Okay, so I'm gonna let all these people in. So just in case you don't know how to play this game, this is like Papers, Please. That's quarantine game. So this actually inspired by Quarantine Zone, not Survivor Zone. It's inspired by Quarantine Zone. And then there's another bootleg, a fellow bootleg on Roblox that also has this game with the exact same structure, by the way. And I think my game's older. And then there is this called Inhuman something, and they already got 5 million plays. So I'm a bit bitter because I don't know how to market my game, and I'm playing alone, and I'm a student. So when you play on mobile, you'll see the controls easier. I suggest not to play on a phone. I suggest to play on a tablet. This is easier to see. And I think there's currently no access on console. But when you're playing on PC, which is the best gameplay, in order to call the next person, tap N. Yeah, like that. And then you have a few main functions from here. If you tap Q, it sends the things over there. If you tap E, it sends them right over there. And if you tap S, it sends them over here. So it gives them, it initially makes them unemployed, you give them jobs, or you can just decide not to give them jobs, you keep them unemployed. But right now I'm going to put them in quarantine zone because I prefer to keep all of them in a person zone. I'm going to call the next person, I'm going to execute. Because, yo, don't go back. Know that that person is infected. If you don't have, obviously you don't have the developer console, a good technique is to just put as much people as you can inside No, not as much people. I think currently the quarantine zone fits 4 people, so I suggest you put only 2 people. But because I know all of these people are not infected, then I'm gonna put all of them in the quarantine zone. Because if you put an infected person in the quarantine zone, then everybody inside the quarantine zone either turns zombie or dies, which of course lowers your chances of getting more resources, which will lower chances of beating the game. So I think he can't even beat the game, which I cannot share. I just realized, I'm so sorry. Because it's a feature that people are only gonna figure out in like 30 years, which sucks because I really want to tell people. So I'm impatient, so I'm gonna put number 3. So tap I, and now I'm inspecting a survivor. He's naked. That's alright, because we accept that here. So I know all these people are not infected. So I'm gonna give this person a job. And whenever, uh, since I've put a person in the survivor zone, these resources are gonna start to go down. Water, power, and food, one by one. It multiplies by depending on how many people you have in your survivor zone. And once all of this runs out or starts to run out, your people will start to die one by one. They'll all die. Now it's fine if they all die. Nothing bad happens. But it sucks because then if you run out of food, power, and stuff, then you can't have any more people because you have to put somebody and just die because there's not enough resources. Okay? So to get resources, you need bones. That's your in-game currency. So let's give num 003. I don't give them names, so that has like this dystopian vibe. Okay, so let's put him in my favorite place to put him. Food! Oh wait, I just realized. I need to rice. Wait, the reason why I'm testing is because I need to. Okay, never mind. Sorry, man. I gotta make you a scout for this. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so slow. I need to fix the UI. See that UI? It's a horrible side panel. It's not how you're supposed to be making UI. If my M-Tech teacher saw this, she'd be very mad at me because she's very deliberate when. Hi! Oh, why does it keep going there? Whenever you go there, it's stuck in. I think it's stuck. Why are you going there? But whatever, you're okay. You can do this. So there. Mission started. Number 3 is scouting supplies. After, I think, a few seconds. If it succeeds, I will get more supplies. And why is this? Yes, for I see. I went up. I didn't notice if it went up. But I think it is. So now I'm gonna move all of these people to the survivor zone. And then I'm just gonna. Okay, there. I think I found the hack. So I send you to survivor zone. And I can't reach it. Dang it! Okay. I can't reach it. Survivor zone. So I'm gonna make all of these people employed. And I'm gonna make them look for supplies because that's what we need. If you want more people to come in and line up. Eh? Turn on the book. Okay, wrong mission, wrong one, it's a green one. So I'm gonna make everybody employed. What's that? Sorry, it's slow. I might suddenly slow down. Unassigned, scout slides, and scout slides. So, there's bones. I've seen that whenever you send people a mission, it spends bones. So, in order to earn bones, you need people working in all the other types. So, number 1 is working. Number 3 is working. Hello, what's up? Hi, Trapper. Yo, what's up? Number 4 is working. And number 1 found nothing. I feel bad for you. What? I'm bad for you, dog. Okay. Lol. Hi. Okay, so no one did my thing. So wait, let's test it. I need. I need to make. Wait, horrible idea. I shouldn't have made these people. Wait. Can I make the same person do myself? I can do that. Lol. Be shy. Wait, don't be shy, dog. What do you mean? Found voice. Okay. So I'm gonna adjust it to make it 1,500. I don't want to make the voice higher. Oh, louder. You mean louder? Okay. Wait, dog. Okay, like that. I Cannot hear you. Eh? Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust this way. Where's the leader stats script? There it is. Okay, so from 10,000, I'm gonna make it. Where is it? There. I'm gonna make it 1,500. There it is. Okay. So it should work now. Also, wanna be friends? Sure, dog. I think I have my socials on my page, so you can just add me or something. Yeah. This are my Discord is Vian40. Okay, sure. Wait, let me screenshot this. Okay, I'm just gonna check it out after the stream. Okay, so my Roblox user is Vian 40. But yeah, I'll add you what you call that later after the stream. New sub long. Oh, thanks man. It's so sweet. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna read. Sorry, there's a delay. I added the delay because my internet's not very reliable. So, let's check the here. Where's that developer console? It should be here. Okay. So developer console client. Check the server. False, true, false, false. Okay, as usual, second one is no. So this time I'm just gonna skip straight to false, true, false, false, false. Okay. Yo. Okay. So next. I said next. Surviving. Eh. Why am I going back? Oh, Z. Z is for Survivor Zone. It's not S. I'm messed up, gang. I'm sorry. Okay, call the next person. Execute. Call the next person. Survivor Zone. Call the next person. Survivor Zone. Call the last person. And make all of these. Wait. Survivor Zone. Okay, so then it calls automatically to the next day. Somebody actually suggested that instead of making everybody on the line called, and then I do N, and then do N for the next day, there's a bed somewhere. Now, the point of this game is so that you can speed. Oh, alright, see you, man. So the point of this game is so you speedrun it. Did you track the message? Oh, okay, that's smart. I should have sent them. Alright. I like that. You could delete the message. Alright. Scout supplies. So what I'm gonna do. Oh, shucks. Okay, of course, it drains me, so I'm gonna hurry. That's alright, it's only every 60 seconds. Scout supplies. 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. And then 1 month. See, the resources are draining. Okay. Let's see them. There are fun over there. Nice. Messages. Log. Other stats. Why don't you do it? Wait, give me a moment. Badges. Badge underscore ID. Why didn't it work? I still didn't get the badge. So, water, power, and food. Oh wait, does water, power, and food not exist? Let me check. Food, water, power, food. Check each of them. What? It's not working, dog. What? I'm getting a bit confused. Okay, wait, I'm gonna share it to more of my friends because I think I'm the only one who is watching this. Okay. Wait, where do I put this? Alright. I'm trying to figure out why this didn't work. Okay. Badge event, fire server. Badge event is award badge event. They both look for the same badge anyway. Award badge event. Okay. Let's make a test. Make a test script where when I touch a part, it gets player who touched it and fires the remote event. Okay, let's just do that. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to figure out which script is the problem. Is it the main badge script that's having a problem receiving it, or is it the leader stat script that's having a problem sending it? Because all the variables seems to be correct anyway. So like, dog. Okay, 8:43. If this still doesn't work by 9 p.m., then I will drop this. Okay. Badge ID. I'm gonna put this in the part. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put this in the part. That's how it works. Oh, 1,000. Why didn't that work? Water, power, food. When I figure out what the issue is, I'm probably gonna laugh at myself. Stat dot value is greater than or equals to. Okay. Maybe I'm skipping a bit too complex. Also, I forgot to mention that whenever you join the game again, everybody that's in the survivor zone wipes out. Because again, this isn't Sims. This isn't The Sims, okay? This is Papers, Please. This is what was it? Not my blocky, not my Robloxian neighbor. That game. It's not that. Okay. So let's put a script inside this. No, not a secret value. A script. So this is just to double check what the issue could be, and then we're gonna get the badge, and then copy asset ID. We have to check the comments again. Did anybody that comment? Clingy lesbian, I'm here. What do you want, bro? You're calling me a clingy lesbian, dog? What? I don't like hearing my own voice. Okay. Okay. Move there, replace with the actual idea. So Bard. Okay. Let's do this. It's The Sims, guys. No, it's not The Sims. It's not The Sims. Stop. Stop. You're gonna be the second person who compared my game to The Sims. It's not The Sims. You can't like change the whatever. Okay, now there's 3 people watching. Why is there only 3 people watching? Earlier there's just 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. Let's tap on this part. I didn't get the damn badge. Oh wait, I'm so stupid. Ah, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Badges don't get awarded. No, they don't get awarded here. Okay, okay. So there's no problem with the thing. I just realized that you can't award and receive badges in Roblox Studio. You have to be in game. I just realized there's nothing. I only speak facts. Yeah, sure. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a print here. Print. Okay, wait, my bad. Player dot name has received the badge. So I have the badge, right? I should have the badge. Badges. Right? Okay, wait. You know what? I'm gonna publish this. Wait. I'm gonna make it 1,000. Where's that? Leader stat script. I'm gonna make it 1,600. 1,600. I'm not a simp! I'll compare it to the Simps instead. Dog, how did you draw that connection? Wait. Let me publish this and then I'm gonna test it on my tablet. So I won't be able to see the replies. Wait. Survivor song. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm gonna test it. Oh no! I accidentally opened the message. Roblox. Wow, I have not played Roblox in a while. Just give me a moment, guys. I gotta test it because the badges don't work in Roblox Studio. Where's my account? Where's my games? Okay, wait. More. Where do I go next? More profile? I think it's profile. View full profile. I'm sick today, by the way. I wasn't able to go to school because I was sick. I missed the test and stuff. Ugh. Goodbye, perfect attendance. Okay, survive for 46 visits. Oh my gosh. This is so good, guys. I don't know what to do. Waiting for an available server. Thank you. Yes, this game is not optimized. I don't know how to optimize this game. 1,576. Water power food. That's good. Okay. Developer console, log. Oh shucks, not log. Client server. False, true, true. False. So false, true, false. Okay. False. Next. Execute. And then everybody else execute. Okay. The UI is actually much better on tablet. I don't know what's up with the UI in what do you call it? What do you call it in why is there only one survivor in my survivor zone? I'm supposed to have more. That's alright. You can just stay unemployed. What's that? There you are. Why are you on the ground? Why is it like on my 1 month? Okay, let's see. Just give me a moment, gang. I can't read the replies right now. I apologize. 1,574 resources. Just give me a moment. Mission success. Found 58 supplies. And I'm still not in the badge. I don't have the badge. I get it. Do I already have the badge? Do I have to remove the badge? Let me check my profile. How do I check if I have a badge or not? I haven't played one. I'm so confused. Okay, wait. Play for 10 minutes. I'm so confused. This worked before. Do I steal the scripts from my old game? You know what? I'm gonna steal it. Wait. What's that called again? What's that game called? What's that game called? What's it called? Island Mayhem. Let's go to Uh-oh. Well, you guys are gonna see some classified things, okay? Wait, where's the... Give me a moment, give me a moment, give me a moment, give me a moment, give me a moment. Anime, it's been a while since I opened you. I'm gonna steal your script. Okay, I gotta check the badges. Is the badges even active? Is the question. Ah! So not optimized. Okay. Module script. Yeah, I don't know what that module script did before. Badge service. Huh? Badge service award badge. Is that what happens? Badge event fire. Badge service award badge. Player dot user. Just type awarding badge. Why is it not working? Player dot user ID. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, it's not working. It's already 8:52, so this is what we're gonna do. All right. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to undo everything that's happening in here, and then I'm gonna do it manually on each of the scripts. So I'm not gonna have this script anymore. So let's delete this. So the badges will just be awarded on each. Why do I have to complicate it for myself? Kasi, and I'm still sick. How do I delete? There's the delete. Okay, so go back to leader stats. And then in order to trigger it, go there, and then the error should pop up. Badge service. There's no badge service called. Okay. Go badge service. Get service. Badge service. Okay. Should be no more bug. Why is there still a bug? That's the player because of the player. Okay. How do I get the player? How do I get the player? Oh! I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I'm so smart, guys. I'm so smart. Okay, 1,600, yeah? Now don't remember. I don't remember. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna play this again on. I'm just gonna publish this again and then play it on the tablet to be sure because I don't want to boost up the value again. Stop the game. No. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna come. Wait. I should check the stream. How is the stream? Okay, publish. Dog, now I just have one viewer again. It keeps going up and down. That's alright. I just hope next time my other friends can join. I think the time I live stream is a bit uh awkward because 8:55 this usually the time that my classmates either start to sleep or where's that survival zone or they're eating dinner, sleeping or eating dinner. So just give me a moment. I'm gonna test this again. I don't know why I like to overcomplicate. It's 1,600 already. So it should be awarded the badge, right? Ah, log client server. 1,600, right? If it's greater than or equal to 1,600, why is it not working? I don't understand. Let's go back to the leader stats script. What's the original? Okay, what is the other script that's given here? Okay. If player then touch the part awarding badge. It's just badges. I've done this so many times before. Why is it not working? Award badge. Award badge. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna make it 1,700. It's 1,700, right? I think this 1,000. Start the flame. Let's see. This should work. This should work. I don't know. I just think it should work, right? 8:57. I got 3 minutes to make this work, or else I'm gonna drop this feature. It's like I've spent an hour on just the badges. Can you imagine that? How many other things do I have to work on? Let's see. I'm gonna cry if it's a lot more. It's a lot more. Wait. Okay, so let's see. I'm feeling right now I can only work on the badges, so all of this is that. Let an infected queue manager, queue manager, queue manager. I can do all of that in the queue manager. Difficulty settings, I'm not sure. This I can do. I can do. I already have a video on YouTube. I just cheat. It's not my actual Okay. So let me see who is false, true, true, false, true. False, true, true, false, true. False, true, true, false, true. Okay, I will keep that in mind. True, true, false, and then I will keep number 2. Ah, why are you still unassigned? Scout supplies, go. You, why are you walking? But you're not in the list. How am I gonna give you a job? 1 month. Of course it's you. What number are you? Number 4. What's going on? I hate this bug, dog. Found 50 supplies. Alright, 1 month again. Come on, 681, so we need 19 more. Right? 19 more? 19 more before I reach 1,700. Come on. Mission failed. Oh, I just spent my bones. Okay, let me check the script again. Okay, this maybe I've left something out. 1,679. Dang it. Found nothing again. Just burning my bones, bro. 1,700. Okay, 4 digits. That should be 4 digits, right? Why? Okay, a few problems. One, maybe the script success. I didn't get a badge. Okay, let's see it. Server. No messages were found. Output. Hi! I'm so confused. Is the badge not working? Okay, I have an idea. I'm just not gonna call the badge idea. And I'm just gonna put it straight in here. You know, like everyone else. 1,700. Now I gotta make it 1,800. I gotta keep racing this. Badge ID destroy. And then I have to leave this game because it's not working. Ah, untitled game. No, 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 no. No. What do you mean no? My games. No, it's supposed to be my games. There, Survivor Zone. Survivor Zone override. Then publish. Okay, it's 9 p.m. already. Past a minute past 9. So I decided to just award the badge on this. Oh wait, no. Let's refresh this. 1,723 is what I currently have. The amount of resources I have. False, true, 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 false. Okay, first and last. So let's just let the first one in. And then scout supplies. 1 month. Okay. Dog, it's that damn sound again. Come on, hurry up. Okay, 50 supplies. Why is this step more? I still don't have the badge. Okay, potential issues. Typer in the user ID should be user ID. Lewis case. Where's your case sensitive? I forget. User ID. Yes, indeed. Of course. Maybe that's what I just forgot. Let's see. Now I have to boost it up again. 1,900. Okay, let's see. Where is it? User ID. Yes, of course. It don't work. Okay, let's see what else you're saying. Badge ID is incorrect or not. Does it exist in the creator's inventory? Is it published and owned by the game creator? Yeah. Is it valid? Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, it is. Are created by the same user or group that owns the game. We're trying to award which is correct. So ensure, yeah, it's under the same. You're checking if, but default is you have the condition is never true. No, yeah, it's okay. Ah! I swear, if it's just that case, I'm gonna. It's okay, guys. Publish the roblox. But no, I don't think it's that because. Okay, let's just see. If it's the case, then that's okay. We will never touch this script again. No matter what may happen, we will never touch it again. If it doesn't work, I'll give it 5 more minutes because I wanna put the badges. Who suggested? True, true, true. Are you kidding me? Everyone's infected. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna join again. Ah. Okay. settings, open. Let's see. Come on. Client. False, 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 false. Okay, so everybody is safe except for the last person. See. Okay, I'll make these two scout supplies, and I'll make them both scout for supplies for a month. So let's see what happens. Let's see what goes on. Yeah, I forgot the worst case sensitive. Let's see if it works though. Work fast. Work fast. 1,865, 1,918. I still don't have it. Water power food. Water power food. Water power food. Water power. Can you make the badge thing independent thing? I don't know what's wait. Okay, I'll make an independent script again. Make a server script that awards the player this badge when their leader stats on water, food, and power reach 2,000. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna remove. Yo, it's good.
You're not Emma anymore?
I'm okay.
No, you're not live streaming anymore.
I'm still live streaming. But I'm not sure who's watching. I haven't checked. Wait long. So remove that. That's not working. Wait, how about I just put it back to the start? Or just delete everything that was. Okay, it's clean now. Okay, yep. Damn it. Just make this leader stats. I'll just make another badge script. I'm sorry, I tried to keep the scripts within 3, but I can't. Badges. Yeah, I tried. If water and food and power, then required value. 2,000. Yeah, let's publish this. Let's just hope that this works. Why is my TikTok suddenly in Japanese? What is that? YouTube? I think there's nobody watching. I'm gonna bet.
Imagine if you check it and it's like 500.
No. Viewers.
One, it's just one.
Add a giant lizard decontainment ride. Add a 1% for a good mind to spawn. Good mind? Good mind.
Add a giant lizard decontainment ride.
wait. Let's start with the medium origami things. Add a 1% for a good mine to spawn. A good mine? A good mine. What? Add a giant lizard you can take. Add a giant lizard you can take.
Who is that?
Okay, dog. Yeah, sure. I'll add that on a future update. Give me a moment. I'll list that down. What's your name again? Taras. Giant. Sure. Lizard. We can tame and ride. Okay then, dog. Okay, wait. I'm gonna check the chat box in a moment. For now, I gotta test this. Okay, let's hope this works. So, this is the badge. What is the badge? Right. Just wait. Choo choo, false choo choo. So the third one is.
Sleepy.
Wait lang, I'm testing it on my end if the script's working because I can't get badges in here. I keep forgetting. 116. Come on. 1966. What's the problem? I'm pretty sure I solved this problem before. $2009. Oh, it's my birth year. Okay, there, I got the badge. I finally got it. Professional resource manager. Okay. Oh my gosh, it worked. I'm gonna make it 100,000 now. How do you make 100,000? One. Yeah, that's 100,000. Okay. Oh my gosh. And I do not need you, and I do not need you. Queue manager. My gosh. That took a while. I'm gonna check the comments again just in case. Yay. Alright. Wait, okay. So first join slash in service. Okay, so let's add another. Create a badge. What's it called? First day on the job. Welcome to first day as a fireman. Also, you have to feed the lizard player flesh, sacrificing your friends to tame it. Let's see. I'll try to add that on the future update. Right now, I'm just gonna focus on this stuff. Let me screenshot that. Wait. Alright. Sure, I'll list that down. Upload image. Okay, good. Badge enabled. Create badge. Badges. Local function check and award. So I want the player initially be awarded. Badge service. Award badge. No, not players. Sorry. No, not players. Oh, wait, what? Lol, I'm the only one who is watching. Yeah, I think so. So sure. Player. Function check. Player added. Badge service. Award badge. Player. Dot user ID. And then I gotta get user ID. There. So when they first join, they're gonna get that badge. And this what okay, yeah. So that's already 2 off the list. That's good. In 1 hour I got 2 off the list. Oh, I forget there's no. Yeah, I'll just do that. Done. Next is to let an infected in 3 times. First thing. Let's do this. So queue manager. Oh man, this is a really long script. Give me a moment. Day to day. Okay. Let's add the module script, remote event call. Okay. Call badge service equals oops, games get service badge service. Yep. Okay. Where is that? Handle infection breach. Day to day. Oh, I gotta remove that. Local part. Slash part. Where can I find? Okay, if day to day. Once I tried to make a roleplay game where we play as sharks, but it ended up being very goofy and I oversized this shark morph to make a megalodon. That's cool. Really? Try to make a game? What's the name called? Oh, okay, wait. 10, then, bro. And the section your script if q equals 0 then. Okay. Where's the q? Let me find that. Q. Okay, so. Alright. Spawn. Where I find that? If there's nobody. What's up, BBZ? What's up, yo? Okay, wait. Okay, so day to day class 1. Okay, let's just add it. I'll just trust this. You should sleep soon, bro. You need to rest. Oh, thanks, man. Just wait. Let me, don't pull an all-nighter doing math. It's alright, man. I do this. This is how I know. I gotta create another badge. Novice. So I think this will hold off. You have survived 10 days on the job. Congrats. And then another. Sorry, I'm gonna change the image. That's just the image I'm using right now because I don't know what to put. Novice Survivor Inspector, copy ID. Yeah. So. Yeah, let's just. Julia, I love the idea. Sacrificing your friends to tame the lizard. Oh man, okay. Well, I'll be sacrificing. Dude! Oh my gosh. God. But, alright, sure, I'll add that on the next update. Okay, what's next? So I already added the novice. I keep forgetting there's no check mark. I'm gonna add more badges like if the day 50, 100, etc. And they are badges. Is there a way to shorten or systemize this? Systemize this. Not if I sacrifice you first. No, dog. Milestones. I'm a hammer dog. Alright, okay, this is what I like. These are the milestones. So we will go back here, go back there. Novice there. Copy asset ID. And replace that with my milestones. You survived today. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So let's say day 3. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna publish this. Just wait. Oh my gosh, the people in the comments. Wait, I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm just gonna test this, okay? Be good to each other. I'm gonna test this. Just wait, I'm gonna test this. Just wait. Profile. New profile. Creation. Survive zone. Alright. Just wait. I'm gonna test this. I'm just gonna skip and escape everybody. My resources already. First day on the job. Thank you, guys. Just wait, I'm testing the novice badge. I'm trying to test them. Okay, so what's this? Come on. Day 2. Okay. Okay. Badge unlocked. You survived to day 3. Okay, now that works. Whew. So now I can do this to day 10. And then, does this look familiar, my fellow classmates? Does this look very familiar? Is it 20 after? So you have to add a comma after, and you have to add a bunch of numbers. Let's say just that. What's next? 50 days. Okay. What's this? Competent. Just competent. Because 50 days is just a month and a half. Right? Just a month and a half. Congrats. You have survived 50 days. Okay, get up. Okay, I'm gonna go back to... thanks for heating me up. I now melt through your stomach. Well, okay, gang. What's going on in my chat? Okay, wait. Create badge. Dog, you know, if you guys have a time that you want me to live stream more rather than this time, then just let me know, because I don't think everybody's available right now to watch. 50, mama. Eyo. 50, yeah, I'll fix that up. So, oh, that's okay. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Done. Okay, so let an infected in 3 times. I don't want to ever remember those coding lessons again. Nah, you're gonna have to remember those lessons in Gen Math, bro. See how? See this? Oh, I'm not talking to Siri. See this? That's like a piecewise function. Does it look familiar? Okay, wait. Where's that? I'm trying to find the manual direction movement. There's the one where if they accidentally let a person, in. Handle breach infection. Is there another script that handles the breach infection? If infected equals true. And okay, wait. I'm gonna do this on another. I'll add this myself, but make it so after this function runs, it adds a value like in day to day called deaths. Then if it just 3 or more like the last one, it rewards badge. That's just a rookie. My math teacher beats us even if we get one question, and also she doesn't hit like dog. At the top of script near day to day is declared, add this. Okay, dog. Oh wait, I gotta add a mark here. Okay, it's good enough. Where's that? Day to day equals 1. Deaths equals 0. Multiple badges like the one you did for day to day. Okay, wait, so just to run it through. So now somebody wants, I don't understand the add a 1% for a good mine to spawn. Or a mine, like a literal mine. Like the bomb thing. At a giant lizard you can tame and ride and feed player flesh. That works, dog. Okay, so find if is infected equals true, then okay, return. Let's do this. Can you be louder? I can't hear you. Oh, give me a moment. Yeah, people have been saying that. Just wait. Wait. Let me just raise this again. I think that's the highest that I can go. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, I think it's this. There. Okay. I remember there was this one teacher who dragged a kid crying because she said I'm going to go to this interview. And she said, "You want to be like, you in kindergarten?" That's when this. Dang, bro. Okay. So right now we don't need to do 5. We just need 1. You've caused infection breaches. Okay, I think. Ah. Okay, there. In range. Ah, no, not this competence. First day on the. Oh, here. Death row, right? Yes. Okay, that's good. Let's make the last badge that I can make for the day. It's gonna be the last one. Not uninfected in 3 times. No, it's not that. We're doing great, whatever. Yeah, okay. Badge is enabled. Create the badge. Okay, death row. And let's copy badges. This is what I've been doing for the app for the past hour and a half. Okay, so now let's just assume that this works. I'm not gonna test it. Handle infection breach. Handle infection breach. Breach is just this, right? Oh, my bad. Notification. Clear all the UI. Initialize queue, so add everything again. Okay, let's just publish this and then let's just assume that it works. If there's a bug, then there's a bug. No, if there's a bug, then it's a feature. We just need to see it in a different light. Okay, so I'm done here. I'm done, Anish. She didn't even watch, bro. Okay, done. Okay, with this raid mode. Let's see, difficulty. Fix you. I'm not sure we can do that right now. Physical. Just use a video because I'm not actually gonna make one. I have to make work leaderboard. Going. You know what? Let's just go to YouTube. It's probably gonna. Oh, sorry. Here. I'm gonna start prepping for sleep now. Good night, guys. Alright then, good night. See you on, leaderboard. Alright, see you. Thanks for watching, man. Physical, it's only 7. For us, it's 9:30 in my time, in our time. Global leaderboard, energy points. What's the shortest? Okay. Global leaderboard mode. Oh, Creekcraft is live right now, really? Yeah. Should play that. It was easy because maybe up. Yeah, let's just watch this again. Description, click on the link, get the model, view tab, toolbox, yeah, and insert it in your game, right? Four cubes, yeah, better add the giant lizard that you can ride. Yeah, I'll add that, don't worry, man. I've already put that in the I've already put that in the list for the update. There's a lot of updates, so it might take a while to get to your giant lizard, but I'll get there, don't worry. I think I have about like 30 or 40 requests I want to add to the game, so it's a lot. Don't worry. I will add them. This model is safe, yep, Yeah, leaderboard under workspace. Yeah, it's okay. Anyways, delete the thumbnail camera. Yes, delete that. How do I make that? Expand the screen. Script. And then do this thing like that. Change currency. This doesn't make right. Gets it. Players. Huh? Let's wait on the leaderboard. Yep. Make sure API services is enabled. Yep. Alright. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna get the model. I hope it's free. I'm gonna pay. You know, in the future, I should get a, what you call that? What did she say? What did she call that? She called it a free playlist thing, so I can play music while I'm streaming and it doesn't get boring. Cause right now I don't have free. I know. But why is this not loading? Give me a moment. Yo. There. Okay. 60 votes, 80%. That's good. Yeah, I got the model. Alright. If it destroys my game, then it destroys my game. There's nothing I can do about it. Toolbox. Where do I put this? I didn't think about where to put this. Where do I put this? Yeah, see, it just has one script. Where do I put it? Oh! So destroy that. And then group. Bro. I gotta scale this down. It's too large. Oh, I probably messed up the font, didn't I? The font size. Oh, it's not messed up. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, where do I put this? Is the question here? That's an empty wall. Yeah, I'm smart, I'm so smart. 60 on 77, 180? Okay. Okay. There, and we will cover that. And I'm gonna move it down, downer. Just move it all the way on the wall there. And then let's just scale this up. No, I think that's good. And then make an invisibility potion you can rag with the shadow, you can one with the chair. Wait, what? I'm gonna screenshot this and then ask Draco for an interpretation. Model, structure. Oh no, it's structure. Yeah. Okay, dog. Wait, let me screenshot this. I don't know what. I'll work on that. I'll work on that next on the, get descendants, return. This is a weird way of structuring it. It's a weird structure. Game global queen. Minimum requirements. There's no minimum. This size 100. Let's test it out. Let's test this thing out. Work zones. Left to work zones. I was proud of that feature. I think I worked on that feature before I started the live stream. So it will not be shown. So it has not been shown as to how I did that. Oh my. You're there? Ah! I'm there. Look. So much money, alright? 9.9 thousand. Yes! Ah, so it's most coins. No, I gotta change the name. Most bones. Here's it. Okay, so I'm done with the title there. Where's it? There. Wait, why is that font? I just realized the font shouldn't be like that. The font should be... What font? Not for Doka. Balthasar is a bit formal. Acanthus is also a bit formal. Inconsolent works. Template there. Shift select. I'm gonna change all the font of that from Ferdoka to Inconsolent. Okay, so now the leaderboard's done. I'm gonna have to go in like 15 minutes. It's gonna be 10 and 15. Done. Fix, yeah, whatever. I don't need that yet. Difficulty settings, raid mode. Okay, now this one is probably gonna take me a while, so let me save this first. Let me just publish that first so that it doesn't get destroyed. What can I work on? There's a raid zone and then there's difficulty. Difficulty raid zone. Difficulty raid zone. Or should I put the lizard? Give me a moment. I'm gonna try to put the lizard. How do I make the lizard move is the question. Because I can make a lizard that you can ride, but can I make it move is the question. You're gonna have to move the player controls to the lizard. Sorry that I have kind of a cold. I'm kind of sick-ish. I don't know. I'm gonna put the lizard. There's such a delay on the stream. This is solid 1 minute or 20 seconds. I don't know. Lizard boy. I think that's a decent looking lizard. That's a really small lizard. Scale. I only have 15 minutes left anyway. I can't do any of the other two in 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna call it burn time. It's hot. This is hot. Handle. Okay, wait, how do I model this? Ah! Still. Scripts. It's heads. I don't want. First color. No, a literal lizard. Toyota lizard. Right? What's this? I hope this doesn't break the game. Why is there no camera? What? Everybody was lizard fighting. Everyone is fast like lightning. Oh no, I don't understand the reference. I don't understand the reference. I'm so sorry. It's the lizard. There's not enough lizards. All these lizards are bad. Okay, wait. Lizard mother. Let's see. Move player controls to lizard when setting on. So I think I've been streaming for about almost 2 hours now, and I think that let me move this forward. There, yeah, I've been streaming for how long? Almost 2 hours now, and I think I'll just continue this again on the next update.
New people? Sorry, nice.
No worries. I'll just continue this on the next update so that I'm gonna eat dinner. It's almost 10. I haven't eaten yet. And I have to take care of someone. So thanks to everybody who watched. It's great to all who commented. I'll screenshot your suggestions and I'll write them down, so don't worry. And then I'll make a small video as to what updates were made. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching, everybody who watched. Even the ones who just watched for like 5 minutes. Still, thank you. And for watching this late. I'm gonna fix up my schedule, so just comment or message me or on another video to let me know what time you prefer or what time zone you prefer me to live stream on. So yeah, we've worked on adding badges for how many days you've survived, how many times you've let an infection breach happen, when you first join the game, and when you save a lot of resources. And then we added the leaderboard, which is very important for a future update that we're gonna have. So UI bugs that'll be across later on. Difficulty settings is what I'm gonna be working on next on the next update. And yeah, it's already 9:48, so I'm gonna go now. Thank you everybody for watching.